Ever wished you had a better quality webcam on your computer? If you have an iPhone, you're in luck. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam. Now let's get started. To use your iPhone as a webcam with your Mac computer, first ensure both devices are logged into the same Apple ID account, and that both have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. Then open your iPhone settings. Select General. Then tap AirPlay and Continuity. Tap the switches labeled Handoff and Continuity Camera to turn these features on. On your Mac, open any app that uses a webcam, like FaceTime or another video calling app. In your settings for that app, select your iPhone as the camera you want to use. The exact steps to do this will vary depending on the app you're using, but your iPhone should appear in the list of available camera sources. You can then go ahead with your video call using your iPhone's camera as your webcam. That's all it takes to use your iPhone as a webcam. Want to control your iPhone using your Mac? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.